How to delete your Esmart Tax account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and then head over to libertytax.com. Click on the File Online option, then click on the Start Now option. After that, on this page, you want to click on the Sign In Now option. Now here, you will first have to enter your username. Go ahead and do that. After that, enter your password. Once both the details have been entered, click on the Sign In option. Now to sign in, first you will have to verify your email. For that, you want to check your email, and here you simply want to copy the verification code, then head back and enter it here. You can check the box that says trust this device if you're using a personal computer. Then click on the confirm option. Once you have been signed into your account, if for some reason you want to delete your account, you want to click on the My Account option, which is at the top of your screen. After clicking on this option, you're going to find different options here. Scroll down and click on the Delete Account option. Here you can find the information and instructions for permanently deleting your account. Once you click on the Delete Your Account option, you're going to find some things that you need to know before you delete your account. Here it says that this action cannot be undone. The things that will be deleted are all entered or imported tax return information, all PDF versions of returns and other extensions, all ability to access this account in the future. The things that will not be deleted are records of your e-file returns and other extensions with the IRS, records required for legal and or auditing purposes, your email address. After going through all of this, if you still want to continue with deletion of your account, simply scroll to the very end and then click on the Continue option. Once you click on the Continue option, you will have to enter the email address associated with this account to confirm your decision. Enter the email address and then click on the Delete Account option. Once you do that, your account is going to be deleted and you will be signed out of your account. And this is how you delete your Esmart Tax account, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.